Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to quickly show you how you can turn that extra pillowcase into something cute. So I've had this extra pillowcase with me for a while now, and then I didn't want it to go to waste, so I just said to just turn it to something cute. So just unseam it and then just remove a smaller portion that you can use for the hem. So I'm just going to use the rest for the body. So it depends on how much ruffle you want. That will determine the length. So right now I just make sure I aim all the edges so that it will be neat. So next I'm just going to take a strap of scrap material to just put inside. This is where I'm going to put the elastic band so that it will ruffle. I decided to use this because it saves time and energy. So that's why I'm doing it like this. So just sew both ends. Of course, you leave 1 inch from both ends so that you can use it to join when it's time. So just do it like that. So now I'm folding in two. I'm just going to sew both ends together inside out, just like this. So you see there's still like half an inch each. So that way I'm going to put my rubber through. So this rubber is half of the size exactly, so that it takes in the excess material to form a ruffle. So that's the trick. I've shown so many videos on how to put this in, so you can go through my other videos. So now I'm just going to sew both ends together and then put the remaining ones inside like this. I'll do same for the down part. If you noticed, I gave 1 inch extra material at the top and then 2 inch extra material at the down. This is to give it this lovely ruffle design. So now I'm just going to cut out at least 1.5 inch from this fabric to make the sleeve to be a bit longer, so that the ruffle will be more pronounced. So that's what I'm doing here. So this is how it's going to look. Now I'm just going to take a smaller elastic band and then stretch it to fit in half of the size of this, of course, and then stretch it to get to the whole part to create a ruffle. So this is it after I've inserted the elastic band. So now I'm just going to attach it to the sides of the top parts. This is where I'm going to put my hand through. So it's so easy to make and fast. So give this video a thumbs up if you learned something, and then comment down below what your thoughts on this is, and then subscribe if you're new here. Thanks. Bye to my next video.